back to Eli's Imagination Station, everybody. Well, everybody that's watching. Not everybody in the world. There's screwdrivers. And we are doing part 3 to the Christmas walking penguin repair. I just noticed how rusty the speaker is around it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like...
Got some gunk on it.
It's almost...
I can clean it off when I clean this stuff.
It's a good thing that that speaker works because we don't have any that size, do we?
I don't think so.
Or is that one that was...
That might be about that size.
Possibly. And Daddy, right after the video, Daddy figured out what was wrong with it. Well, what he thinks is wrong with it. He thinks since it's so greasy, the rubber bands that the gears go across, he thinks that rubber band is,
Slipping.
yes, slipping. That's the word.
So I'm gonna clean them up.
Well, we'll keep the grease on the gears because that helps them spin.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna take that part apart.
And today I'm going to church with Daddy and James. This pair is dirty already.
That's the one I used when I was doing the caulking on the chimney last year.
Dun, dun, oh, Big Bang, ooh, dun, dun, burn. To me, I think it kind of looks like a parrot or like a bird.
Yeah.
Here's the mouth.
See, there's the rubber.
There's an eye there. Squawk, squawk, squawk.
See, there's the gears I was talking about, the pulleys with the little rubber band.
Oh, so there's 2 motors to those.
Yeah, these are the 2 motors. One goes to this one, and one goes to these ones.
But one
They're
of them...
both greasy, so I'm going to clean them both off. Because we haven't tried to put the arms on, they might slip too, for all we know. So I'm not going to take a chance. So I'm going to take both of these off. And a little bit greasy. How's this one? More so. Here, push the button real quick. The motor seems to have enough
Power.
power, yeah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells
So hopefully it's
ring,
just
jingle bells ring.
Java.
Snowing and blowing. I'm only 10. I'm not allowed to be near alcohol.
That's not drinking alcohol, buddy. It's rubbing alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol. It has alcohol right in the name.
It's a different type of alcohol.
Yeah. I feel like there's something else.
Nobody can drink this kind. Doesn't matter what your age. grease on it. I can feel the grease in my fingers. While I'm holding them. Yeah, my fingers.
Ooh ee ooh ah, dang dang, oh big bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, dang a love and bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, dang dang, oh big bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, dang a love and bang.
Push down too much. I use that seat.
If Bubba and Santa come over later today, like mommy said.
You never answered me yesterday, so I don't know if they're going to.
Yeah. But if they do, I want to take a video of them playing with these dragon puppets.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh ee. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all over and bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all over and bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all over and bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all over and bang. Ooh ee. I still may be covered, but I still see you. No, I don't like that pose. Nah. It looks like he's smiling.
Maybe.
Whenever you're smiling, the world smiles along with you.
This whole thing is greasy. Here, watch out. I need that, but.
Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all the way. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all the way. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all the way. Ooh ee ooh ah, turn all the way.
Without getting grease all over my hands.
Ooh ee ooh ah. Ooh ee ooh ah. Turn all over and bah. Bah. Alcohol for me.
Nope. Well, let me clean this up since I'm well, that's glue, I think. Yeah.
Sorry guys, I was gone for a little bit.
What are you doing? Oh, you're getting into the puppet? Yeah, put these back on. It's stronger than they were. Well, way to find out if it worked, just put it back in.
Pickle, pickle, pickle. Right. My tongue is a pickle. You're right. Give me back my tongue, you monkey. Including the muscle. You're stealing my muscle. Stealing my tongue muscle. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for giving me my tongue back. My tongue! I need that tongue. Hello, everybody. Bob, the police officer here. Wait, hold on. Let me change clothes really quick. Oh, gotta put in my contacts. I'm Bob the chef now. See, now my eyes are brown. Actually, they've been blue this whole entire time. What? Police officer version of me? What are you doing here? It's supposed to be a show. Exactly. Huh? Oh.
Nope, wire sticking through. Can't have that.
No. Why not? What's supposed to come out that hole right there?
Nothing. There was no wires coming out that way.
Huh. That's a little strange.
There's just wires coming out this one. Yeah, it is a little strange.
I just drank some alcohol. It was delicious.
It's rubbing alcohol. You can't drink that.
But since I drunk it, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Yeah. Sky. I'm on the sky. Yeah. I know who we really need to grab.
Who? I guess we'll find out.
So, what you been doing, Elmo? Nothing much.
Causing trouble?
No.
No? Good.
Elmo don't cause trouble.
Good.
Are you a pirate? Because I'm a pirate. Elmo's losing his imagination. Elmo's gonna lose his imagination. I'm imagining this man has a pirate hat on and an eye patch, and I'm a pirate. Oh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells all, jingle bells all the way. Oh, what fun it is to follow those giant
Off my ears, please. I'm trying to put your toy back together, bud.
Elmo's dead. That's Elmo's world. Good. Whoa. Elmo flying to heaven. Good. Elmo's still alive. Elmo's still alive. Elmo's still. That's Elmo's favorite. Here, I need to kind of open up his mouth a little bit so it's easier to use.
Yeah, you knew, so.
This one's pretty hard to use.
Alright. Come up, see if his legs work.
Oh yeah, that makes it a lot easier. Elmo's world. Elmo's goldfish is cool too. My fantastic.
Alright, go ahead. Maybe I should do it.
It's just too greasy.
Yeah. He goes back and forth. Yeah, we don't have his arms on yet. Okay, now we'll put his arms on and try. We're getting there.
Now the jingle bell rock. Now the jingle. Now the jingle. The shoulder just almost hit. It's on your shoulder.
Oh, I guess I can put these back on.
Oh yeah, his kneecaps.
Yeah, or it's kind of his hips, really.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Since his legs are working, we'll put his hips on.
Jingle bells ring, yeah, jingle bells ring. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the bells jingle all the way, slow and slow. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the bells jingle all the way, slow and slow. Almost done. Up to heaven, upside down this time.
Upside down.
Morning, morning, morning. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
You look to your right, Delmo. No, look. There you go. Now you're looking at the camera. Right like that. No.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited too. I'm so excited. I'm a mountain. I'm a mountain. I'm a white mountain.
Okay. Now let's try an arm.
Is that safe? Is that safe up here?
Huh? This.
Elmo, you are. I'm gonna take this wire brush out of here because last time his really stuck here.
Where is it? That doesn't quite fit in. Oh, it just goes that far. I see. I see.
He loves to sing la 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 la, Elmo's world. That's Elmo's world. Neverland. I should be the next person to voice Elmo.
You should.
Well, don't you think? I'm pretty good at his voice.
You are pretty good at it. I agree. I do agree.
I should work for Sesame Street. Is this one put on backwards?
No,
Because they're both supposed to be down right now.
they're both supposed to be down.
Yeah.
They go up and down together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then
Yeah,
they
then
would
I'll
go
move it
like
down.
this, not like this.
Okay. I thought he moved them like he does the legs, opposite each other. Well, let's see. Let's see which one's right.
This one's right.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because you notice on a motor always runs a second after you stop him.
Oh, okay. So,
That's the arms moving down. They
okay.
end and begin down.
Okay.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Elmo's World. Actually, this YouTube channel is called Welcome back to Elmo's World. It's called Eli's Imagination Station. Oh. Yeah. No, it's called Elmo's World. It's called Eli's Imagination Station. No, it's called Elmo's World. It's called Elmo's World. Bah. I've got fur all in my mouth now, Elmo. heart was like a tiger. What time is it? Oh, what time
Quarter
is
after
it?
9. How much on the video?
26 minutes after.
If the arms work, we'll have plenty of time.
Well, because we've got the skin now. Let's try putting it back on first. Let's try putting the skin back
His button is hard to find. It didn't go back down. Alright, now it'll be hard to put the skin now. Get his arms back.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Espero una felicidad. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Of this heart. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Seriously?
The arms messed it up.
There's 2 different motors.
How come your voice changed, I know? Just the penguins. Loves. Whoa! Loves her. I can't wait for Colin to see this.
They're not too tight.
Not too tight, not too loose. It's just right. Boing, boing.
And these work just fine.
Come and dance with Alma. Let's bounce around like a tiger.
Put the outsides of the arms on.
Dance with Alma.
Just in case it's getting caught in the material because it doesn't have
You
this.
put your arm in, you put your arm out, you put your arm in, and you shake it all out. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now put your leg in, now put your leg out, now put your leg in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Boing, 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 boing. Alma wants to bounce. Boing, 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 boing. As long as mighty falling. No, that's bouncing snowman. La 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 la, la 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 la. Alma's world. Boing, boing. La 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 la, la 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 la. Alma's world. Boing, boing. Alma's goldfish. His world to boing. That's Alma's world. Boing, 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 boing. Wow! Wow!
that. You have a bald spot. His won't grow back.
Ooh, look how pretty these ones are. These ones are pretty. Those ones gotta be pretty. Don't use any of them on now.
Oh, that's why it was crooked. There's a screw there. Screw there.
There's a screw in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that screw missing somewhere?
Alright, let's put them together with the full arm on it and see if maybe that helps. Now is it Ghostbuster? Okay. They shouldn't rely on each other because they're two separate motors. Now all of a sudden this motor ain't working.
Though I'm thinking it's maybe something together or somehow connected.
They're not. They're two completely different motors, all different gears.
Let me finish, please.
Okay.
Because whenever he walks forward is when his arms move up. Whenever he walks backwards is when his arms go down.
They ain't moving at all. We'll go to the end of this video and we'll see what happens.
It's almost 34 minutes on the video.
I don't understand why his legs won't move anymore.
Try unscrewing the arms again. See if
I'm
they.
going to take these parts off. So
Oh,
legs
yeah,
work
it could be
until I put
those.
these on. This one is not fun to work on. It looks like it'd be easy to take apart, but it's not.
Do something strong.
Ghostbusters!
See if the legs will move.
Oh, the arms move back up too. Well, then you've done The arms moved up though.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancer and prancer and jingle bell swell. In the frosty air, what a bright time, bright time.
that sound? Oh! Gotcha! Gotcha! How much snoozes used to go like this? But ever since this guy was my learner, it sounds like this. Achoo! 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 Where's that for actually? You know, just being dramatic.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing, jingle bell ring. So when it
It's
goes
turning. It's turning. I felt it
now
turning.
the jingle hop has begun.
Is that Josh?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancer and prancer and jingle bells swell.
Oh,
In the frosty air.
I looked like him though. It was actually her.
no.
To rock the night away. Jingle bell time is the swell time. Go riding in the one-horse sleigh.
Okay, so now we go all the way down.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells rock, jingle bells ring.
So
Snowing.
now I have them in the right position. What you doing?
Breathing.
Why are you breathing like that?
Like what?
I'm hyperventilating.
So I can get ready for LOL.
How's your
I didn't even mean to catch him, but I did. My hand now smells like Elmo's butt.
It does.
It smells like
Elmo's butt smells like your hand. Right?
I'm about to drink some of this rubbing alcohol.
No. You can't drink rubbing alcohol.
But I'm thirsty.
Well, I'm gonna go have some water.
I'm gonna have water.
Okay, so I know that's the right angle. So we're supposed to be down right now.
Look what water's out there, Emma. And where's water's going? this have to go?
Just be careful with stuff in there, bud.
Yes. Actually, it didn't go that hard.
They just came back up.
And there's something strange. Let me call the bathroom one right now. I'm gonna get it sold out. Is it 43 minutes?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell,
Well, it walks now.
jingle bell.
Well, his arm still don't work.
Now the jingle hop
Now his legs aren't working.
jingle
Now
bell,
it's not
jingle
working.
bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bells chime. Yes, sir, and friends are in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is the bell time. It goes right in the one-horse sleigh.
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell,
Now we
jingle
walking.
bell rock.
Until his arms need to move.
And jingle bells ring.
Maybe they are attached somehow.
I don't know. They're on two separate motors and none of the gears are the same, but something's the same. As soon as the arms have to kick in, it stops. This guy's gonna be one of the hardest ones I think ever.
Look what's I'm not gonna think so.
Well, this is already part 3 and we haven't made any progress. Other than he walks with his arms off.
If this guy can get past the gambler dog, I'd be surprised.
Well, yeah, we never fixed a gambler dog. Huh?
Well, we never fixed him fully. We couldn't get his mouth working. But yeah, that video had like 9-10 parts. But we had a part 3 to part 5. The video kept stopping when it was still on part 3.
Oh, 184. Can you go get it? It's right there. Got a Lego light shirt. Thank you. Elmo won't be able to pick it up with his mouth.
I actually got it.
Okay, I don't need it on my hand. Where did it go?
I'm a penguin.
Right here. The rest of them.
I'm gonna need the hat to go with this.
What's the time? Probably need to come say goodbye. I think it's running out.
46 minutes, we have to end it.
Okay, bye. We'll start again.
Bye.